Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Quick Learning. Ever wondered how much interest you're actually paying each year on a loan? Today we're unlocking a hidden function in Excel, the ISPMT function. Okay, let's jump right in. So what exactly is ISPMT function? It stands for interest payment for a given period, and it's used to calculate just the interest portion of a loan or investment during a specific time frame, like year 1, year 2, and so on. Let's say you've taken a $10,000 loan for 5 years at an annual interest rate of 8%. You're repaying it with equal principal payments every year. Now we want to know how much interest you'll pay each year. Here's how to do it using the ISPMT function. First, click on a blank cell. Type this formula. Let's break that down. C2 is our interest rate. E2 is the year number. B2 is the total loan term. A2 is the loan amount, entered as negative loan amount because it's an outgoing payment. Our loan amount, interest rate, and term are fixed, so use dollar signs to fix them by pressing F4. Press enter, and boom, you get $640. That's the interest paid in year 1. Now, just drag the formula down to fill all 5 years. And watch how the interest drops each year. That's because you're paying off equal parts of the principal, and the interest gets smaller over time. ISPMT function reflects this perfectly. And just like that, you've calculated yearly loan interest like a pro. If this video helps you, smash that like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for easier Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.